Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your color background on Google Chrome. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So as you can see, my Chrome is now pink, and if you want to change that, just click Customize Chrome. You can see it on the lower right side of your screen. And then here you can choose background, any backgrounds that you want. You can upload from device. Then if you just want color and theme, just click on that and then choose any colors that you want. So for example, I want this green and white, so I'm just gonna click on that and then click done. Then there you have it. So if you want background like with images, so just want to click Customize Chrome and then click any backgrounds that you want. So for example, this one. So you have a lot of options, so I'm just gonna choose one. So for example, I want this one, then just click done, and then there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.